Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I think you can change.
This is the master bedroom, right?
Have you changed it to video?
There's some video.
Okay, so when you are coming in, there's a light switch.
Okay.
Then this is the setup. Okay, so from the plan, there are some changes. So
Okay.
that is why we have one TV area here and another one here.
Okay.
Okay, so initially the bedside was supposed
To be here.
But
Okay.
this time, because of that,
Because of what? The entrance.
so the bedside will be here.
Okay.
So here we have the various switches. We have the normal switch for the light, and we've made this additional provision in case of dimmer lights and others. So this will be for dimmer switch.
Okay.
And this will be ceiling fan, and this air conditioner switch.
Okay.
The air conditioner point is right there.
That is it.
These are two wall lights here.
Okay, 2 wall lights.
Two wall lights here. Okay. And this one of the outside lights. So we're going outside.
Okay.
There's another one here.
Okay.
Outside light. It's going outside there. And there's the walk-in closet. That's the socket and light switch.
Socket and light.
Light switch.
In the closet.
Yeah, closet. And this is for when you are coming here. There's another candle here as well. So you make lighting points.
Okay. Okay.
And here is the washroom. Okay, so there's the light switch. There's water heater switch. There's 110 volts socket, and there's 220 volt sockets. Mirror lights.
Mirror light, okay.
And this for jacuzzi.
Oh, okay.
The plumber directed me towards this side, but I've made
Another,
provision
okay.
in case. So this will be the power, and that will be the power point for the water.
What?
heater.
Okay. Okay.
Outside here, we have 110 volts and the 220 volt socket.
Okay.